If you want to learn how to create stunning videos with AI with Google's Veo 2 model for free, then you're in the right place, because I will show you how to get access to this tool for free and how to create this video, that video, this video, and one more bonus video that is also super fun. And I will even show you how to get around the rate limits by accessing it in different ways. And all of that in just a few minutes. Let's get right to it. The first thing that you need to do is go to Google AI Studio. I'm already automatically signed in because I'm signed in with my Google account, but you will see that you will get access to all these tools for free in the development toolkit. I'm going to exit out of this and I see the different options that I have available here. I usually use this, but subscribe to my channel to see how I use the chat feature of Google AI Studio. But in this case, we will go to the new feature called video generation. On the right-hand side, we see that we now have access to Veo 2, which is the latest AI video generation model from Google. And it is also the most realistic and the best one. And the best part about all of this, it's free to use right now with this method. You have different sections that you can change. In this case, I'm going to go to number of results per generation to 2, and I'm going to keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, which is the best format for computer screens. If you want your videos to mainly be shown on phones, click on 9:16. The video duration, I'm going to go to 5 seconds, so it's faster to generate. And then the frame rate and the resolution you cannot change at the moment. However, you can add negative prompts, and I will show you how to use that as well. Let's get right to it. And the first thing that we need to do is connect this to our drive. I'm going to select confirm, link it to my drive, and now I'm able to use it. The first video that we'll create is a generic one. Let's have a dog running on the beach. Let's make it more complex, and let's say during sunset. Since we selected the number of results to 2, we will always generate 2 videos at a time. And down here you see the running button that shows you exactly how long this task has been running. If you want to generate multiple videos at the same time, simply create a new tab. So I'm going to go over here and click new tab and go to AI Studio. I'm still logged in over here, but we need to go to video generation again. And let's create another video. Let's do a product showcase. If we wanted to create a product showcase, let's say of my phone, then we can say, create a video of the front of the latest iPhone to showcase the camera of the phone. It should be a close-up video, look cinematic. And I'm gonna bring the video duration down to 5 seconds again, and I'm gonna click run. If we go here, we see that the videos of the dogs have already been finished, but let's check out the results at the end. And the third video that we'll create is gonna be an animated style video. Let's go to video generator again, bring this down here, and let's bring up the results to 2. And this time I'll show you how to upload a reference image. Let's click on upload image, and I generated a beautiful image of the San Francisco skyline that I use for my LinkedIn profile. And you can prompt what you want it to do with reference image. So in this case, I'm gonna say, and the prompt I'm using is to create a hyperlapse of the San Francisco skyline during sunset in Ghibli style. All right, in this case, it's already kicking me out and saying that I've reached my quota. That's because I've been playing around with this quite a bit. So let's see if anything changes if we bring this down to 1. And this time it's working. So let's go back here and let's watch the videos that we have of the dogs. You can click on the full screen here and view them by clicking the play button. Wow, that is very cinematic. There's barely any artifacts. And if no one told me that this is not a real image, I wouldn't have known. But if I look for it, I see a little bit of artifacts going on right here, and the paws don't look sharp. But everything else looks fantastic. Look at the paws in the back here, kicking up the dirt, and you see the reflection of the dog, the shadow. All of that looks fantastic. I'm very impressed. Let's check out the second video. This is a different dog in different style. And this is also looking amazing. I'm very impressed. Keep in mind that all of these videos that you're generating are not being stored right here. So you can connect them to your drive and export them, or you can download them to your computer by clicking this download button. That has been phenomenal already, but let's view the other video that we created of the iPhone. Let's make this in full screen and let's check it out. All right, that is beautiful. Wow, this looks like a real video of an iPhone. I can't believe this is AI generated. Look at this. That is incredible. It did exactly what I'd said in the prompts. The only issue that we have here is that we see 2 flashes instead of having a third camera here. So that is something to keep in mind, that these AI video generators still hallucinate. And let's go over here and we have the San Francisco skyline. Let's click on this video. Perfect. This is exactly the reference image that I gave it. We see that there is a time lapse going on of the clouds moving. I would have liked the ocean to be moving too, but I would need to prompt it to do that especially. I promise you that we'll create one more entertaining one, and this one is going to be completely useless, but let's see if it's funny. Let's create a video of a clown riding a unicycle on the moon. And here are the results. Let's see what it did. Amazing. This is hilarious. I can't believe that the AI was able to do this. It rendered everything perfectly. The clown looks hilarious riding the unicycle. The second video is a bit creepy. Let's check this one out. Wow. It's very cinematic with the lens flare here. You can even see the dirt being kicked up behind the clown. This is incredible. I can't believe it is able to do all of that. And here's a quick tip for you in case you run out of your daily quota. As we can see here, if we hit run and generate, it tells us that we failed to generate the video because I've already generated multiple videos. If this happens, you can access Veo 2 in 2 other ways. The first one is with Gemini. On the top hand corner, you can see now that you have access to Google Veo 2, and you can describe your video right here. You can do the same methodology. You can also create videos with this chat window. However, I think this is limited only to paid Gemini users right now, and it's about 20 bucks a month, I think. And the third way that you can access this when the rate limits are reached is by going to VideoFX. VideoFX has a few more functions that are not available quite yet, so check out this video if you want to see how to get access to VideoFX. And here we have Veo 2 generating the clown riding the unicycle here. It is zooming. This one doesn't look as realistic, but it's also funny. I do have a video coming up where I showcase how to create a product commercial completely with AI. I think you will like it. It's linked right here. And if you are interested in this kind of content where I show entrepreneurs and creators how to use AI in order to be more productive, subscribe to this channel and like this video if it was helpful. Hopefully see you in the next one.